Hello, everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope and pray that all is well with you. I hope that you are having a fabulous day in your neck of the woods. In my neck of the woods, it's pouring down rain. It looks like it's about 10 o'clock at night almost, but it is well because I don't mind the rain, especially with crisp weather and good weather to sleep in. I don't mind at all. So today I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. I don't know how this video is going to come out because I am so excited. And I'm never scripted. So anything could come out. So today I am participating in a fall collaboration, and the name of the collaboration is 2019 Fall DIY and Decor Challenge, and it's being hosted by Christina over at the DIYmommy.com. And I'll leave that information in the description box and possibly an iCard, but definitely in the description box so that you can go over to visit her channel. There will be a playlist of other ladies, other YouTubers who will also be participating, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited and looking forward to seeing all of the videos that they'll be portraying as well. I'd love to see their creativity and everything. So I am going to be participating, like I said, and I will be just showing snippets of our living area and whatnot. So, and if you see anything moving, it's because I just went out to my garden and I picked a lot of the florals and the foliage from out in our garden. So just stay tuned. We'll be right back with you. Okay, so this is where we're going to begin that fall decor challenge, at least that part of it anyway. So here's where we'll start, and this is my my academic and my academic cabinet, and I have it decorated. Yeah, so looking up close, I just have some marigolds and some different foliage flowers in this vase, and like I said, I just picked this, so if you see anything moving it just came from outside, you know, just recently. So yeah, so this is what we have to show you over here. Pan out and go back in, because I know some of you are like I am. I love florals. I love my floral arrangements. And I do apologize, I don't think my flash is on, but look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let us continue with the tour. Okay, so on this side, there's more decor to be seen, and more florals. And look at my beautiful orchid. This is a live orchid, of course. And I love metallics. I'm a metallic person, and my taste, let me just warn you, is very eclectic. It's very eclectic. It does not fit in any box at all. And here we have some lavender. This is lavender from my garden. So we have that in a cute little vase, and that's a live plant as well, a live succulent. This is Swiss chard from the garden. It was caught falling off, but the colors are so beautiful. That's one of the things I love about fall, the crisp air and the colors and everything that you can bring from outside inside is so beautiful. That's what we love about fall and winter are my two favorite what do you call them, seasons, as a matter of fact. Those are my two most favorite seasons, and I love all four seasons, and I appreciate living in an area where all four seasons are represented, like really. And this is a lovely little hospitality tray. Here is what do you call this, maple, I think it's maple pecan, caramel corn, and some caramel apple popcorn that's in this bowl. And that's more of my favorite flour that I just discovered this year. I love it so much. It smells so beautiful. This house is just smelling so lovely right now, just naturally, and I love that. But I love this flour. It is such a beautiful citrusy smell, scent, and it's so beautiful. And I just have some snacks here, some fresh apples, some cookies, crackers, and some chocolates, of course, with caramel on the inside, some oranges, and these cups. In these cups are cinnamon sticks, of course, and those cups are so pretty, so beautiful. They so floral. And back here, this is a spiced orange drink. If you know, you look, that's another thing about fall, enjoying those spiced drinks and whatnot. So we have that sitting on an ottoman, a leather ottoman with a throw over it. And here is our sofa with lots of floral arranged, the pillows, all of them are metallic as well. Like I said, I love metallics, different metallics and sheen and shimmers and things like that, and I love florals as well. So it has a lot of little florals on it and whatnot. And if we head over here I have some of my lemon balm that is flowering, that's going to seed. I have that. I picked some of that today. And then this is so beautiful, the croton. Oh my goodness, it's like a fall, look at the fall foliage. Look at it has the magenta pink in it, greens, yellows, and all of those beautiful colors that represent fall, depending on where you live, because I'm sure, like, if someone was in Hawaii, they probably wouldn't experience that. But here I am in the Midwest, and I'm here to give you what you need. I also do snow videos, snow vlogs in the winter time. If you're up for that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video and hit that notification bell, because if you love organizing, cleaning, different encouragement, things of that nature, I love planning and all of that. So, and food videos, cooking videos, I love all of that. So yeah, please come on over here and subscribe to our channel, and we'd be happy to have you. And I have to not forget that I have a DIY to show you as well, because that's part of the challenge. We have to have a DIY. I almost cheated and said I can't give you any type of DIY, but I have one to give to you. Yeah, and these are some more florals and leaves and botanicals. I love that on these pillows and whatnot. And this is just the other one. It's just opposite. And then this here, and this is another live orchid. Live and beautifully colored. You love that magenta, chartreuse is in there, some yellow, green, all of those beautiful coral colors are there. I see. And this is another one of my marigolds that I just picked. So yeah, this is just, yeah. And I'll share a fun fact regarding fall, or regarding this video, because a fun fact is that we actually do not what do you call it, decorate. We don't normally decorate for any holidays or any seasons, but what I did was move some things around in the house. This is actually how the house is actually decorated all year round. So our house is like seasonless, or it falls into all of the seasons as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, like I said, my taste is so eclectic. So I'll get right to the DIY, and I will be uploading the video for the DIY that I created on tomorrow. So this is the DIY. You probably have seen these before at the DT. And what I did, I took that ribbon off that they had on there, which was very ugly. Well, forgive me, it was not ugly, but it was not the right color for them to put on there. And I just put this shimmery, beautiful bow on it, and I glued a little, what do you call these, a little tiny pine cone. Look how tiny that pine cone is. And then I also put another one on top, this little floret. I can't think of what you call these, but someone can tell me down in the video. And I glued this on top, and I also, it had a little paint on it, a little gold on it, but I went on and put a little bit more gold on it just to make it pop, because I've had these little florals and these little pine cones forever, so they lost their luster a little bit. So I hope that you enjoy our our 2019 fall DIY and decor video. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments. I would love to know your favorite season and your favorite memory. I have really, like I said, I love fall. I have really great memories of you know, as a child, of fall. You know, such the crisp air. That was the time we were going back to school, new clothing, with plaids and, you know, sweaters and things like that. One of my favorite patterns is plaid. I love plaids and I love florals, you know, so that is something that I love. So that is what I really enjoyed about this season. So yeah, let's share. Please share some of your fond memories with us. Thank you so much. And again, I'll leave the information for Christina, the DIY mommy, down in the description box, so that you can go and check out that playlist, her video, and the playlist of the other participants. And I cannot wait. Like I said, I'm really looking forward to the other participants' videos. I know there are going to be some outstanding creative works over there. So thank you again for watching. I hope I didn't forget anything, because my excitement level, and when I first heard about that, I was so excited. I could not wait to put you know, move some things around and do this video, you know. And I'm going to be participating in more challenges and tags that, you know, with discernment, of course, in the near future. So like I said, be looking out for that. I'll have more DIYs coming up, very simple ones, very modest ones. You know, we are very modest here. Modest, some little DIYs. Like I said, some organizing, some different cleaning and planning and things of that nature. Just encouragement, you know, for us all, you know, to continue to be wonderful homemakers and whatnot. So thank you again for watching. This is Saida, the Domestic Handmaiden of Distinction, signing out for now.